What's up, YouTube? Brett Malone here. I was going to do a short tutorial on how to transfer the converted Xbox PC maps over to the Xbox 360. I think I did a tutorial on this a long time ago. I was going to do it again in case anybody didn't see it or if you can't find it. So let's get right into it. So a couple of things you're going to need is you're going to need this program called Horizon. Um, I will put the link in the description. It's free to download. Just download that and put the. I've already got my shortcut to the desktop. You're gonna need that for the computer, and then I'll also put a link in the description to this Minecraft download .360.com website. A lot of cool Parker map, Parker war maps on here, hide and seek, single player ones. There's this older post which has more, so there are a lot more. You can pick the map you want. So you need those two things, computer side. And then you're also going to need a, hang on a second, one of these guys, USB thumbstick, probably all seen them. It says you need at least 1 gigabyte of storage space on these. I don't think they come in 1 gigabytes. They're probably at least 8, 16, or 32 or higher. This one's a 16 gigabyte thumbstick, so that's it for now on the computer side. Let's go over to the Xbox and I'll show you what you need to do there, and then we'll come back to the computer in just a few minutes. Okay, so you've got your thumbstick. Put your thumbstick in your Xbox. What you're going to want to do is go all the way over to your settings. Go to settings because we got to transfer that profile to the thumbstick. So go to System, then go down to Storage, and your profile hopefully is on the hard drive. So you want to click on that. That's where mine is. And then go down to Profiles. And make sure you pick the one you signed into Xbox Live with. See, I've got 4 of them on there. Mine's Onshore Square. So I'm going to move that over to the thumb drive. Otherwise, sign back in Xbox Live. That one is, it's not going to sign you in with a different profile. So I'm going to save this memory unit because we're going to be taking the thumbstick out when this is done and back over to the computer for the next part. So let that transfer over, and you should only have, I should only have 3 profiles left on the hard drive now. Okay, so what you want to do is remove that, remove the thumbstick, and let's go back over to the computer and we'll do the next part. Okay, back at the computer now. Hopefully you, whatever thumb drive you put your profile on, and take that and put that into a USB port on your computer. And I'm just going to make sure it's there. If I go into computer, there it is, my removable disk. So what you want to do now is you can do 1 or 2 things first. You can go to the Minecraft 360 website, which I'm going to do, and I'm going to pick this Kung Fu Panda one. So click on that, and it's going to take you to a different page. And you click here, and it's going to take you to MediaFire, AdFly, whatever, to download it. So you skip your, just wait 5 seconds here, and skip that. Okay, skip the ad. And here we go, and you might get some other pop-ups, hopefully you don't. Mine's not the greatest in pop-up blocking. Okay, so you just hit on the download, close that one, and then it's going to ask you to save it. I usually just save it to the downloads, and then what I do is I find it in my downloads and minimize all this and drag and drop it onto the desktop. That's what I do. So yes, now I lost it. I gotta find it. Oh, where'd you go, Kung Fu Panda? There you are. Okay, so go on here and find that. There it is. Oop, it's where I passed it. Where Kung Fu Panda. Okay, so you go and leave it in the zipped format. You don't need to unzip it with WinRAR. Okay, so then let's put this over here. Then you want to go to your Horizon. Open up Horizon, which again shouldn't take very long. Excuse me. Come on, Horizon. There it goes. And it's going to tell you currently offline mode may be limited access. That's okay. Okay, so what you want to do is go to your, let's see, Device Explorer. There we go. And my device is not showing up. Let me reinstall. Let me plug it back in here and see where my device is. Hang on a second, I gotta try and fix this. I'll be right back. Hey everybody, sorry about that. I'm back. I had a little problem with the thumb drive. Wasn't seeing my thumbstick. So once you put your thumbstick into the computer and open up Horizon, you should get this on the bottom, on the right hand side. You want to make sure your profile is there. You click on Gamer Profile, and see there's Onshore Square. So we know the profile is there. So what you want to do next is, very simple, you click on this Inject New File, and it's going to ask you to find it. Mine's on the desktop. I think you could probably also just drag and drop it from the straight from the desktop if you wanted to, which is probably what I'll do, but I'll go and do it this way. Okay, and it's going to ask you to select a profile for the saved game. Make sure it's the one that you transferred to your thumb drive. Should only be one, and hopefully it's the one you used to sign into Xbox Live. Use this profile. So the following packages were successfully transferred to the flash drive. Okay, Kung Fu Panda 3. So now that's under my games now. If I go to games in Minecraft and click on that, okay, well it's going to freeze up on me, but Kung Fu Panda will be under there. So you can just pull the thumbstick out, or you can go down to the safely remove hardware and inject media. I like to do that. You don't have to. But just to be sure nothing gets corrupted when you take it out of there, you should do that. And that's not going to show up either. Okay, so I'm just going to pull it out like that. I'll meet you back over at the Xbox to finish this up, and we'll see if this map works. Okay, so you've got your profile and your map on the thumbstick. So you'll put the thumbstick back in your Xbox. Let's go back over to settings and system and storage. We got to transfer the profile and the map over back to the hard drive. So go to your memory unit, wherever you put your map and profile. Get on the profile. See, there's my profile. So I'm going to click on move. Don't delete it. And move it back to the hard drive. So that's where I like to keep mine. So after you do that, you should have nothing found on the memory unit now. So let that finish. Shouldn't take but a few seconds. There we go. And then you want to find your map, which is going to be on the memory unit too. Now I've already transferred my Kung Fu Panda over to the hard drive, but I'll find a different one to use as an example. So I go to I have a Minecraft folder here. Let's find that, and I'll just transfer a different map over, which would be the same as Kung Fu Panda. So let's do this. Let's find one here. Let's do Croft Manor. There we go, this Tomb Raider one. So same thing for Kung Fu Panda. You click on that, on whatever map, then you're going to go down to move. And I like to move it over to the hard drive. You can keep it on the memory unit. Just when you start the game, be sure you select memory unit. Otherwise, you're not going to find the map. So I just transferred it to the hard drive. I've only got the roller coaster map, Kung Fu Panda, and now Croft Manor. So now it's gone from there, from the hard memory unit. Okay, so now you can exit out of all that. Let's go into Minecraft and see if Kung Fu Panda is there. Croft Manor is probably there too, should be. And I'm going to be playing offline. I have to fix my Xbox Live. Let's let this load up and we'll see if it's there. Yeah, now if you did everything right, any of these maps should work for you. Well, let's see. Let's play. Okay, continue offline. I'm going to pick the hard drive because that's where I put the map, the Kung Fu Panda. And load. As you can see, there's Kung Fu Panda, the roller coaster one, and Croft Manor. Well, let's go into Kung Fu Panda and take just a sneak peek at it here. Creative, normal, okay. To start up, and it should work. Let's see. yeah, do a little sneak peek here. Maybe I'll do another video on this one later. So there you go. There's Kung Fu Panda. So a lot of parkour maps, a lot of hide and seek maps, a lot of things. Still, it's Kung Fu Panda 3. Okay, my bad. So that's it. Yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions, or if you have any problems. But a lot of fun maps to download and play. Either solo, you can check them out, or with your friends. So that's gonna do it. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you all. Very, very soon. Thank you. Bye.